So I don't need a U-Haul to move my wood. No. This is Africa. I just threw this in the back of my SUV. Girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. Okie dokie. I'm just gonna be reversing my baby. Oh yeah, circular saw. Because I had to leave my circular saw in New Zealand along with many other of my power tool babies, and it broke my heart. But now I'm rebuilding my collection. So I bought this sucker, this baby, and I also bought that. I bought that in the second month that I was here. So I'm building up my collection. The work must continue no matter what country you're in. Working all day in the city.
This is going to be a very accurate cutting.
Okay, moment of the truth. Boom! Oh, that's a good feeling, hubby.
I've done a stain, half of it stained black, ebony. I wonder if I should. I think it looks better in the car now. I'll ask my mother.
My dad gave me this strawberry. Thanks, Dad. Yes, Dad. Okay, let's talk about the actual Albatross box. When designing it, the idea was that it would be easy to just stop somewhere and have your dinner or whatever, stay dry under the tailgate, and then in the nighttime have a good old kip, which is ridiculously comfortable, by the way. Here I've got my fridge, so when I want to take it out and investigate what may be inside, because I'm a little bit hungry, can do that. Usually I pull it out fully and I put it either on a little table or I put it on the floor. It depends on how I feel at the time. Then I've got my water in here, and I've got other water behind that. I've got supplies behind that. Boom, boom, boom. Got all my other little thingies. Got my little cleaning, because that's also very important. Then over here I pull out my cutting board. I have a little table, which I still need to just put a cover over, but it's pretty solid. Then I can just work like that on there. Then I have the money maker right here, my little gas burner. I then have my cleaning materials over there, and I've got my tin foil for when I want to wrap up any sort of meal that I have made for myself. I've got all my pots and my pans and my mini pans. I actually use that little pan, which has come in very handy. It's made for eggs, but I use it to heat my milk up in the morning, because who wants cold milk in their latte? Nobody. Then I've got a little cup, and then this is my usual cup, Jeffrey's Beer. Then I've got, this has come in very handy. I have had a tremendous amount of these salted homemade nuts. Thank you, Auntie Ingrid. Shout out to you. 1 plate, because, you know. Then I've got my cafe, which actually should be in there. And I've got my little plunger. She's been very good to me. And I've got my rusks. Paper towels, very important. And I've got my salt and my pepper and all my other little goodies to make things taste tasty. I store all my boxes in here. I fit 6 boxes in here.
It's actually quite nice under here. I would sleep under here, but I'm just a tad too big.
Got a double camp mattress, and it is warmer in this vehicle than it is in a tent. I can assure you of that. It's wonderful, and then you wake up with those views. But I am going to make some window covers today. Peekaboo, who's in there? Oh, it's just a car. In front of you, you have a lovely SUV, which has been reversed into a tent. I have made it. Tailgate tent, as they call them. I've gone and bought yoga mats. I've made very rudimentary patterns from the shapes of the windows. I'm going to make the sketches first, or the outline on the mat. And I'm staying in here because it's really nice and cozy. It's quite cold. Then I'm going to insert it into the windows and then put some cable ties on the back so I can pull them off easily. So let's see how that goes. So it's not going to be perfect, but okay, I'll cut it out. Whew, this is so satisfying. This is the back shape of the window. Let's see if it works. The moment of truth arrives. Let's do this. It's all right. Boom. I can already feel it's quite warm. It's going to be so good tonight when I snuggle up in bed. Okay, it's a bit overkill for one human being, but I have a large personality, so yeah.